Hey there, it's Brittany, and I interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you the Sam's Bead Shop Sam's Christmas box. I'm so excited! I'm so excited. I can't. I have no idea what's in here, and I just wanna share this with you. So it says, Bead, merry and bright, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from all of us at Sam's Bead Shop. Sam, Rachel, Jesse, and the whole bead-loving team. That's a cute little tree. Thanks, Sam. Oh, this is cute. Look at the little crinkles. We've got some Aurora Borealis stuff, and we got a little mint over here. Thanks, Sam. Okay, can't wait to see what's in here. We love our recyclable packaging. Cute little box. I usually save these in case I need to ship something. I've just been recycling them lately because I'm going to be hopefully moving at some point. I still haven't sold my house, but you know, we don't want a lot of clutter around right now. Oh my goodness, look at this. There's so much cute stuff. It's not labeled, so let's just kind of see and dig in and see what everything is. We've got some seed beads. They're like half bugles almost, in red and green. Oh my goodness, so cute. They're not like regular seed beads. They're kind of like a hexagon in red and green. So cute. Next, I'm seeing some leaves, and of course you can get this box at samsbeadshop.com, not Sam's Bead Box, samsbeadshop.com. I'll leave a link to the box. I think it's the last time I checked, it was $35, but it looks jam-packed with check glass. Christmas. Okay, so we have a mixed leaf check glass strand. That's fun. Reds and greens. Ooh, look, these are 6mm fire polished beads. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I want to just make like a bracelet stack out of these, or maybe like a 3-strand bracelet. That's really pretty. I love those colors together. Very sparkly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, we're definitely going to be using this box in one of the, I think we're going to do 12 days of Christmas this year. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Oh, and he said some of these are like custom trees. I have never seen white Aurora Borealis Christmas trees from Check Glass Beads before. So these are so cool. Love, love, love those. Oh my gosh, those are so stinking cute. And then we have some red Picasso glass trees. I just ordered some red trees, but I didn't know there were red Picasso ones out there. I think these are probably custom to Sam. That's awesome. And then, oh my gosh, these are cool too. I mean, I have the shape, but I don't have these colors. So it's gold on one side, green on the other. If you are a check glass tree nut like I am, this is just floating my boat. I love those. Okay. And the box said it's a $40+ value for this box. We've got, I don't know what these are called, but I call them like cactus paddles because I live in Arizona, and in the grocery store you can buy cactus paddles that look like this. I follow somebody on Instagram who feeds them to their tortoises. But that's what I think it looks like. Those are really cool. And then we've got some little gold leaves. Love those. I can just see, like, you can make so many pairs of earrings out of this kit from what I've just seen already. I always say that, if all you do is make earrings, you're making your money back right away. Oh my gosh. We've got 5 more things in here. We've got a beautiful, I don't know if this is tear cast, but it's a gorgeous snowflake charm. I've never seen this one before. It's very detailed, double-sided, beautiful like weight, beautiful color gold, antique gold. We've got some red and green little check glass ovals. Very clear color. I love that. Then, oh, these are nice. We know everybody loves these clear Aurora Borealis beads. I've never seen these. These look like little ice cubes, but they have little indents in them. I love that. That makes them look even more like ice cubes. This is so much fun. I love when I see beads that I've never seen before. And that they're check glass. Gorgeous. Then we've got, I want to say this is garnet. I don't think this is, yeah, these are, it looks like faceted garnet. At least I think that's what it is. I don't think that's glass. Those are beautiful. And then last but certainly not least, we've got 3 little angels. I was just going through some of my Christmas beads the other day and I saw a bunch of angels and I never made anything with them last year. So we're going to have to make something with some angels this year. Oh, look, is this green or is it black? It's black with gold. That's awesome. I love that. Then we have a clear with gold and then we have a red. I don't have any of those colors, which is awesome. I love this. Sam, thank you. If you're interested in purchasing this awesome, fabulous, amazing, show-stopping box, please check out samsbeadshop.com. I'll leave a link in the description, and I also have some information about his monthly box in the description as well, if you're interested in that, which is something completely different. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see me use from this box. What was your favorite thing? And I'm definitely seeing like a bracelet made out of these 3 with possibly some cute little leaves. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This was really good, like injection into my Christmas stash. And the funny thing is I don't think I had anything. I have some of the shapes, but I don't have these exact ones, which was awesome. So pretty cool variety. Thanks, Sam. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hey, cutie. Are you tuckered out from a day full of napping? I think you are. She's literally not done anything but sleep all day. That's all she does every day. But she's still real tired from it. That's why we pay you the big bucks, Goldie.